Guys, take a look at this avatar.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, do you want to create videos without showing your face? This talking AI avatar is perfect for you.
Okay, so in this very video, I'm going to be guiding you step by step process on how you can get to create avatar, a simple avatar, just like the one you just watched. So if you are really interested about this, let's jump right into this very video right now, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get started. To get access to this prompt, you go down in this video description. You will be able to get access to this prompt. Okay, so the first step right now is to create our avatar. So how we're gonna do that is very simple and easy. So I've already write this prompt with this prompt and just copy this entire section here, copy this and click on copy. Then once you are done with that, just move to Google Flow AI. You can see Google Flow. I'm inside Google Flow right now. If you can't get access to Google Flow, just search for, go to your Chrome or to any browser that you're using and search for Google Flow right away. And once you're in, just create new projects and let's wait for a couple of minutes for this to load up right away. So it's loading right now. Okay, so once this section has loaded up, you can see this interface is very simple and easy. I just want you to come to this section and say nano banana and choose image because we want to generate image. And how many do we want? Let me just click on 4 so that we can choose from. Okay, so change your aspect ratio to 16:9, which is this. And if you're creating for a vertical, you can choose 9:16 for aspect ratio. But this, after we're done with that, just click on paste the prompt and click on send and wait for a couple of minutes for this AI to generate a avatar for us. Then let's wait for a couple of minutes. You can see how cool and how realistic this is. We can choose from this, like we can choose like which one should we go for, this one or this one. Like I'm still looking at it and see which one should we go for. Basically the 4 of them is actually pretty good and nice. And also another thing I wanted to say is if you want your own image, you will just upload your image. Just click on this section here to upload your image right away. Just click on this section to upload your image. So this will create an avatar to your own image if you don't want to use any of this. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to click on one of these here. And so I'm gonna do that. Just click on all this. Okay, use this here, click it down and click on, move to this section to click on animate, click on it again to animate it. Okay, so once you click on it right away, it's going to open this section. Then we need to animate it. Then you can come to this section here. You can see the animation prompt here. Just click on this, copy. We need to copy the entire, just copy this entire prompt here. You can see the dialogue. Okay, this is the where the magic is going to happen. So this is the dialogue here. You can see this is the place the avatar is going to say something like for me, I put an example there. The avatar is going to say something like, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If we ever wanted to create a YouTube blah blah blah, you can just take your time to read through it. And this is the place you're going to post your dialogue. For you can choose any dialogue at all. Just put the dialogue here. Then once you're done with that, just copy this entire section, the camera angle, everything, the negative prompt. Just copied everything and click on copied. Okay, after you're done with that, just click on paste. Okay, click on just click on paste here, click on paste. Okay, so under this section here, you will see under this section, just click on 1, like how many, just leave it at 1. Then the duration, leave it at 10 seconds and click on generate. Okay, click on generate. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for this to generate, guys. So our avatar is ready, so let's play it and see what we have created. Okay, let me play it and click on pause and let's listen to what we have created, guys.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, do you want to create videos without showing your face? This talking AI avatar is perfect for you. Hey guys, welcome.
You can see how awesome and also how realistic it is, and that's how simple you can get to create an avatar. Then once you're done with it, just click on download and you can choose 180p to upscale it. Okay, just 180p to upscale it, and that's how simple. Download it to your phone or to your system, and that's how you can get to create an avatar with Google Flow or with Gemini. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.